You smell. Hi, my name is Ranita. I like to show you my garden today and show you what I do. So this is my pumpkin patch, which I've grown for the first time. Okay, I grew it from seed. Earlier I have grown bitter gourd and gosali, that is ridge gourd. So I'm hoping that I get a good harvest this time from my pumpkin patch. There's a few of them getting ready here. They've just started to bloom here. If you can see, this is the female flower which is taken on. There are a few more here. This is basil. We love to use it in our pizzas. Then this is sweet potato. There's brinjal here. There's some turmeric which I just harvested. This is passion fruit. Some chilies just starting to rise up there. This is basil again which we propagated. Some banana trees, pineapple, mint, and there's a little chili plant here. That's the button chilies which we love to use in our masalas. This bougainvillea has 3 different colors. That's pink, yellow and reddish orange. This is rosemary. It's one of the first which I grew. This one here is love apple. Okay, we've harvested, and this is the second one that has taken bloom here and here. This is ajwain. It's a very medicinal plant. Okay, it's very good for cold, also known as the Indian oregano. And this is peepli. It's used in Indian biryanis. And our lemon tree, or the lime tree, the County lemon. This is the tomato plant, waiting to harvest these tomatoes tomorrow. This is the ornamental lemon. Some more rosemary and basil. Avocado. This is the yellow pepper, the yellow capsicum. Mulberry tree. And this is black pepper. I just grew it from just a small branch, and it's been like around a month and it started to give some leaves. So I'm very happy to see that.
So how did you learn about gardening? Who taught you all this?
Actually, as a child, when I went to my grandmother's house, we always passed some fields on the way. And I used to look at these farmers growing some vegetables there, and I always said to myself, someday I would like to grow my own. And I would say the garden teaches me. So all in all, I'm happy to have started.
What is your next harvest? What are you going to plant next?
I'm still learning about the pumpkin. So the next thing that I want to try is watermelon. It's one of our favorite fruit in the house, okay, and lettuce, because we all love to eat salads. So these two are on my to-do list. So the message I would like to give all my viewers is that start something small, just a pot, just as I did when I lived in a flat. I started with just a palak bhaji. Everybody said it's not going to grow, but it did. There are pests who come to attack. Don't give up. Your seed will not sprout, or they might just come up and die. Please don't give up. It's such a joy and such a happiness that when you try and succeed in these little ways, it's magical.
Hello, my name is Zan. Hello, my name is Maverick.
Hi, my name is Glynis, and we're Glynis and the Munchkins.
We're Glynis and the Munchkins.
Well, we perform at the farmers market in Navili. So, my brothers, they sing so well and they look so cute. So, we came up with the name Glynis and the Munchkins. I've been performing since I was 3 years old. So, we performed at Taj and a lot of other hotels. I sing, I play the violin, the guitar, the saxophone, the mandolin, and the ukulele as well. And my brothers, they both sing along with me. If you're someone who's interested in music and you would like to learn an instrument, or maybe you would like to learn singing, then you should practice as much as you can, because practice will make you the best that you can be. And just follow your dreams and do your best.
Hi everyone, my name is Ranita. Welcome to Sabonete de Felicidad, soaps of happiness. The main ingredients in these handmade artisan soaps is doTERRA essential oils. So doTERRA essential oils is one of the purest essential oils available internationally, which have a lot of health benefits. The store-bought soaps have fragrance oils, and these are essential oils which are infused into the soap along with coconut oil, raw ingredients like honey, oats, beetroot, rosemary, and we also have vitamin E added to this. As you keep using these soaps, you will see the difference in your skin. And more than that, I want you to know that these soaps do not lather, but they give you a kind of conditioning for your skin and rejuvenates your skin as you keep using them. So I was introduced to doTERRA by my friends Venus, Maria and Carol. And then a dear friend of mine, Navina, had a workshop of soap making, which really interested me. So that's where she helped me bring out all the creativity in me. I've also started making rosemary hair oil, some foot salts, a bug cream and homemade grape wine. To know more about the soaps and which one would suit your skin, contact me on this number.